So if you have a lot of photos, images on your iPhone, but you don't know where is located, where you can find your live photos on your iPhone, this video is for you. So welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing. I'm uploading every single day tutorials, so I really appreciate that. And now let's jump right into the video. So what you need to do is actually we are in library right now. So instead of looking here for your videos or for your live photo, you'll have to select albums. And here, if you scroll a little bit, I actually don't even have to scroll because it's right at the top, media types, and you have videos, live photos, and screen recordings for each category, and select the category, live photos. And here we have our live photo, and that's how you do it. I really appreciate you for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. And I forgot to tell you, if you have any questions related to iPhone, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll create a video for you, tutorial. Like if you have any problems with your iPhone, if you don't know how to do something, let me know in the comment section. I'll create a video for you. Thank you for watching this video.